शिक्षक मित्र, पालक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. मी विवेक हिरवडेकर आज आपणासमोर मॅथ्स 1 चॅप्टर 1 मधील ग्राफ ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन्स इन टू व्हरायबल्स सोल्युशन विथ एक्सप्लेनेशनचा व्हिडिओ आपणासमोर सादर करत आहे. Graph. Now we study graph of linear equations in two variables. We know that the graph of linear equation in two variables is a straight line. The order pair we satisfy the equation is solution of that equation. The order pair represents a point on that line. Example, draw a graph of 2x minus y is equal to 4. 1. To draw a graph of the equation, let's write order pairs. To obtain order pair, by simple way, take x is equal to 0 and then take y is equal to 0. First we take x is equal to 0. 2x minus y is equal to 4. 2 into 0 minus y is equal to 4. 0 minus y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to minus 4. Now we take y is equal to 0. 2x minus y is equal to 4. 2x minus 0 is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to 2. X 0, y minus 4. xy 0 minus 4. X is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 0. xy 2 comma 0. 3. Now on graph paper, first draw x-axis and y-axis. 4. Name the point at which the two lines intersect, that is O. 5. Write on x-axis positive and negative numbers, that is positive 1, 2, 3, 4 on RHS, negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 on LHS. Then on y-axis write positive and negative numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Above contact point positive numbers, below contact point negative numbers. Write scale on x-axis 1 cm is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 cm is equal to 1 unit. Or on both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Scale on both axes. X-axis, eight. Plot the points on graph paper. 9. Draw a line from that points. Y-axis, scale on both axes 1 cm is equal to 1 unit. Equation 2x minus y is equal to 4. 2 comma 0. X-axis 0 comma minus 4. Two points are sufficient to represent a line, but if coordinates of one of the 2 points are wrong, then you will not get a correct line. For accuracy, you plot 3 points, and if they are collinear, then your line is correct. It is understood that all points are correctly plotted. A linear equation y is equal to 2 is also written as 0x plus y is equal to 2. The graph of this line is parallel to x-axis. For any value of x, y is always 2. When x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 2. xy 1, 2, 4, 2, minus 3, 2. Similarly, Equation x is equal to 2 is written as x plus 0y is equal to 2 and its graph is parallel to y-axis. Scale parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. Graphical method: solve linear equations in two variables. Example: draw graph of x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 2. First, x plus y is equal to 4. We take x is equal to 0. 0 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4. Now we take x is equal to 1. 1 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Now we take x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 plus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 5. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 4. xy 0, 4. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. xy 1, 3. When x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 5. xy minus 1, 5. Now, in equation 2x minus y is equal to 2, x is equal to 0, 2 into 0 minus y is equal to 2, 0 minus y is equal to 2, therefore y is equal to minus 2. Now we take y is equal to 0, 2x minus 0 is equal to 2, 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 upon 2, therefore x is equal to 1. Now we take x is equal to 3, 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 minus y is equal to 2, minus y is equal to 2 minus 6, minus y is equal to minus 4, therefore y is equal to 4. When we take x is equal to 0, then value of y is equal to minus 2, xy 0 minus 2. When we take x is equal to 0, then value of y is 0, xy is equal to 1, 0. When x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 4, xy 3, 4. Process: draw x and y axis on graph paper. 2. Write scale on both axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Scale on both axes. 3. Plot the points on graph paper. Draw a line passing through that points. Plot the points of the second equation on graph paper. Draw a line passing through that points. Write the equation near the line. 8. Each point on the graph satisfies the equation. 9. The two lines intersect each other at point 2, 2. 10. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 satisfies the equation. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 is solution of given equation. Stop the video and see graph carefully. Scale on both axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Equation x plus y is equal to 4. Equation 2x minus y is equal to 2. Two lines intersect at point 2, 2. Therefore, solution x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ग्राफ ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन्स इन टू व्हरायबल्स सोल्युशन विथ एक्सप्लेनेशन्स चा पुढील भाग अभ्यासण्यासाठी पार्ट 2 चा व्हिडिओ पहा.